Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
We'd recommend this excellent device for beginners because it offers pretty much everything you need to make music. Maschine is an instrument featuring 16 pads which can hold samples or instruments. The 28th of November 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
No, it's not really a DAW, it's a loop-based sequencer software that links to the Maschine line of controllers. By itself, it's pretty useless. With Maschine is okay, but just for creating loop-based music.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.